Good evening. We're going to continue with our Unit 4 on fractions with Lesson 6. Rename mixed numbers as fractions greater than 1. To review, let's talk about 8/3 as an improper fraction or a fraction greater than 1, and that's when your numerator has a bigger number than your denominator. Then you have a mixed number or a mixed fraction, whatever you prefer to call it. 3 and 2/3. 3 is your whole number, which is attached to a fraction of 2/3. All right, so now we have 2 1/2. 2 1/2, what we're going to do is we're going to pull out those holes using a number bond to go back to a improper fraction or fraction greater than 1. So when we convert this, we're going to pull it out, and that's going to be 2/2. And how we know that, because the denominator is 2, and we're pulling out a whole, so it has to be 2/2, because 2/2 represents 1. So now we're left with 1 1/2. So that means we can pull out another whole, because that would give us 2. And then we're left with a half. Now what we have to do is we have to add these together. So we have 2 1/2 plus 2 1/2 plus 1 1/2 is going to give us 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. The denominator stays the same. So 2 1/2 is equal to 5/2. We also can use a number line to go convert our mixed number or mixed fraction into an improper fraction or a fraction greater than 1. How we're going to do that this number line is broken up into fourths because the denominator says fourths. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here, and we're going to go all the way to 2 3/4. So we're past the first hole, the second hole, and now we need to find 3/4 because now we got to this part, the 2. There's our 2 holes. And we're going to go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So it's right here that we need to stop. So let's count how much that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's equal to 11/4. 2 3/4 is equal to the improper fraction or fraction greater than 1, 11/4. Okay, same thing for 3 1/3. We need to convert this into an improper fraction or a fraction greater than 1 by using the number line. So we're going to start on 0, and we're going to go past 3 holes to 1/3. So I'm going to go past the first, second, there's my 3 holes, and then I'm just going to go up right there and stop, because that right there, my friends, is 1/3. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this right here would be 10/3. So 3 1/3 is equal to 10/3. All right, so we used the number bond, we used number lines, but what about another way of just doing this like circle way of math to get to our improper fraction? Last one, I showed you how to take an improper fraction and then make it into a mixed number. Now we're going to go the opposite way. So we're not going to divide, we're going to multiply. So watch carefully as I solve this problem. All right, we are going to, hold on, just change this color. Okay, so from 3 to 6, we're going to go around like this. So first step we do is 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. And then when we get to the top, the numerator, we add 2, and we get 20. And then denominator always stays the same. So it's the improper fraction or fraction greater than 1 is 26. So 3 2/6 is equal to 26. All right, let's try it again. 4 6/8, the mixed fraction or mixed number, and we're going to convert this to an improper fraction or fraction greater than 1. So we're going to go loopy around here. We start off with multiplication. 4 times 8 is 32, plus that 6. So we're going to do 32 plus 6. It's going to bring us to 38. And our denominator always stays the same, so it becomes 38 eighths. Did I really just call my teacher Mom? It happens. I love these memes. Solve the next 2 questions. Convert the mixed fraction into a fraction greater than 1 and use any method you'd like to solve 2 and 4/8 to a fraction greater than 1. And yes, I want to see your work tomorrow. Convert the mixed fraction into a fraction greater than 1, 4 and 3/4. What is your improper fraction? And I want to see your work tomorrow. Teachers be like, I'm just going to wait till it's quiet. It never happens. Have a great night.